Where is Mohammed?
Mohammed is just make
Allowed? As per your protocol, is it allowed? I don't want now. Huh? In my last day and a half, I don't want a mail from you. I am myself breaching the protocol set by ourselves. I will just stay here.
So I think I'll take this opportunity.
सभी कहाँ है?
Sammy's here.
फोटो नहीं खींच लो। दूसरा कैमरा रखा है।
All close-ups are all shots, all angles.
See, it was a pleasure working with you and all the team. I'm basically trying to talk from and anybody who wants to come in also. Unfortunately, because of COVID and everything, we can't do anything beyond that. So, thanks to Jamila, she came up with
good enough.
She came up with this idea that at least we should basically gather together and say thank you very much to you and wish you all the luck going forward. And I want everybody who wants to speak, come on, Bismillah. Yes, Mustafa, you start.
I was telling you.
Mustafa, you start. From you, Mustafa.
Okay.
तो क्लास में होता ना? Yes sir. The first finger up.
No, I think thank you so much, sir. I think it's been it's actually you are my boss's boss's boss, but it never felt ever that there was this line that demarcated. So it always allowed us the opportunity and more than us encouraged us to actually come across to you and discuss. So we really be appreciative and everyone here has positive thoughts about that. So please thank you so much, sir, for everything.
Khalisa.
Basically, he was suggesting possible that no promotions.
It is an indirect message.
Yeah, fingers crossed.
Khalisa.
आगे वीडियो बनेगी ना
I had this opportunity. He's just visited us over there, so we had a small meeting there. Anil Saban, we have worked with him five and a half years over there, and I think so. In my little bit small career of 34 years, he has been one of the best line manager to report on that. And one thing I think so, which Mustafa also mentioned, has been very easy person to as a manager, as a senior person. Even my department staff, they feel easy to call and work over there. And he has given us, all of us, an opportunity to whatever we want to do, share it, communicate it over there, do the development on that. So I think so the atmosphere as overall has been very good. So as soon as we were, as a direct managers, we were feeling easy, so there was a much easy convenience for us. So we wish you good luck, sir.
Thank you very much.
It has been always pleasure to us, and remember us wherever you are going.
And hopefully some of that easy personality has rubbed off. No change. Too late for change.
Anas.
Anas was also visited in the morning. So
They have to repeat the speech actually.
Let's see if you can still remember.
Okay, maybe among the whole team, I had the least interaction with any on a daily basis.
I did mention that to Khalid Saab that you and Anas always complain that I don't visit often.
So I'm not going to speak about the professional relationship he had. He has been a good boss, one of the best I had, and I had many in DIB and outside. But
In your little career of how many years?
25 years, 26 years now. But he comes out to be a genuine human being. He's transparent, he is supportive, he listens before he takes a decision. He always consults before also, tapping in anybody's area. Although he's a boss, he can always take that call. And that gives him a lot of credit to people like me at least. Thank you very much, Anil. It's been
Thanks a
a very
lot.
joyful 5.5 years, 5 and 8 months, 5 years and 8 months. We had a lot of questions when he joined. We went into LinkedIn profile.
I know, a lot of spying happens.
But we got to know you when we worked with you. Thank you very much for being a boss, a good boss.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Muhammad.
When we found out that we're going, when the going is good, everything is running smooth, time does fly. Felt like a couple of years, but it's been 4 or 5. So wish you all the best and best of luck in everything. Last year we were giving a farewell to our previous boss, this favor, you a favor. Hopefully, it doesn't become a routine. Every year.
Mohsen.
Many. Go.
Mayushi.
Mayushi, please.
I have to say something?
Yes.
Yeah, please.
You are the-
In 2 minutes and 3 minutes. So for me, we have worked with you for 6 months. I think I'm going to just say 1 second. But yeah, well, colleague, thanks so much. I think Anil has shown a lot of courage and confidence in terms of data and information management, and he brought me here. I would like to thank him for that opportunity. I have not interacted with a lot of you, but he has like been pillar of strength to push to say, well, even though we're under this kind of circumstances, we will be able to achieve that. So thank you, Anil, and I wish you all of the best going forward.
For your information, I have updated in the RMC today, and I have said that post, fixing the policies, processes, because the framework is almost there, then the next big challenge for the bank will be the data cleanup, which will, I think, there the data governance team will, have to contribute significantly to drive, because that is a big one for the bank. So you will need to, kind of handhold the stakeholders through that process. It will not be immediate, because right now our big elephant in the room is integration of Noom. So once that happens and the core banking upgrade also comes in, I think data cleanup will be a big exercise for the bank. Next big project. Thank you very much.
Salman.
Everyone has already mentioned, you are a thorough gentleman. Couple of things I have to kind of share with everyone basically. Being a C-level officer, you can call anyone, but sometimes you just pop into that room or that desk and you are standing, I'm sitting, so, those discourses, it's not very common nowadays, especially in this organization. And you are a very good listener. I must say, whenever I have a tendency to, speak my mind, I differ always, but you always have given us this opportunity to, have a healthy discourse. So that is something I really respect. And what to say, you have been a great support. Whenever we had, differences of opinion with Treasury, you have given us that space so that we could, go to the downstairs and discuss it. At least, that kind of made it more, on a floating level kind of a thing. Thanks for all that, and wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for your time. And ratio is not at par with the market. Below average. So you better make sure that comes up next in today's update to RMC.
Yes, you have been very much approachable person. Talking with you, we do not feel like there is no any fear. Okay, that they will going to be a deep backlash or something. You are a very approachable person. You listen to what are concerns and you basically take everything into consideration. It was a very challenging time with the new regulations and IFRS 9, but with your support and guidance, we were able to basically finish all of
And I
those.
tell you honestly, Anil was never confident about it.
At a personal level, I still don't buy into IFRS 9, but thankfully the project and all that stuff was implemented in good time with you guys' effort and you guys' contribution. Thank you very much.
I'll pick one more and then I'll let it open. Anybody wants to speak? Venkat.
We have worked closely for 3 years. One of the hallmarks of your leadership has been being very empathetic. A lot of senior folks are honestly not empathetic. It's they are actually very
आसान इंग्लिश बोलो यार
not really empathetic. So it's this has been one of the hallmarks of your leadership has been more empathetic. It's despite the level of people who
अपने
work
गुजराती में थे आप.
so that's one area. And then we have always been supportive. We know that we have burnt a lot of our hands with finance quite a number of times. So
You will continue to burn. They will not let you stay in peace. So life goes on.
Even not on the last RMC also.
So and then the other thing to say is that despite tough economic times, I think when we spoke personally, we have supported a lot of people in terms of not letting them go. So that has been one of the biggest hallmark that a lot of people in this room should be very thankful to you. And so as a team, we should all be thankful for doing that for us. And we will definitely miss you. Your presence will be definitely missed. And we hope sometime we cross our paths again.
Thank you very much. I still don't. With the mask, you can't recognize.
He's getting younger every day.
Some days he comes with beard, some days he's clean shaven.
Yes, sir.
surprise is there, but I was really shocked to hear that you are leaving. So when Mr. Javed he told me, Adil is, then what happened? Suddenly
Brian is Brian.
He's gone to CAD. Gone to CAD.
Did you find out? But I must give credit to all of you. None of you came to ask me because the news was there already in the market for maybe 2 months or to ask me before I was allowed to, inform people officially. Thank you very much for the patience.
Anybody?
Mohsin is-
I would
Mohsin,
say,
Mohsin.
sir, definitely, like everybody said, definitely we are going to miss you a lot. You have been a great leader, and whether it's Mustafa, जिसके boss के boss है, या मेरे boss के boss. But the best part was that you were very easily approachable, and I'm sure Manor bhai and Javed bhai definitely knows, and a few of my close colleagues. But the office boys, you were like a godfather to them, not only to us, to them as well. And your philanthropic nature will definitely be missed. And the best part is, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives you all the success in the future and keeps you the way you are, kind-hearted, approachable, easygoing. That's all. Thank you very much.
I think I just want.
I hope I don't change at this stage of my life.
You can't. See, I think probably what we come up with, if you look at it, everybody is talking about it. As human, and we found out you're a very good person.
Yes.
That's probably the most important thing. People may think
At the
something
end of the
otherwise.
day,
That's the most important thing. That's specific. If you look at everybody, this is something which we all relate to you. So thank you very much for giving us the opportunity to work with you for 5 years, 5.5 years. It was easy. Trust me, it was very easy. So many times we say, why you taking tension? So you will end up taking tension because we were
No,
fine.
I think as seniors we need to take responsibility for the failures, and we should give credit for success to everyone in the field who do work every day, day in and day out. Sitting in our rooms, I think we provide leadership, support, some escalation, some opening the doors. But the day-to-day work is done by all of you and many others who are not here. So we are not successful because we sit in a position room, or we are part of the management. I think we are successful because every one of you works in their respective areas. Sometimes cross-functional also, like Mustafa, I used to, pull him for many things which were not directly in his responsibility. Where is Amit?
Amit. I missed Amit.
So his core responsibility after operational risk is HR management. Maybe he didn't like it. At least his previous boss didn't like it. He one day made a formal complaint to me. Why is Amit still doing performance management? So, but there are some I think people who will always go the extra mile, and we sometimes use them, we push them, we give them more. I wish everyone takes interest in things beyond their area of work, because that is when you become a more comprehensive banker. You learn more beyond your area of responsibility. So there have been situations like that where I have dragged people and requested them for help. So yeah,
Amit, I missed you.
in his responsibility. Where is Amit?
Amit. I missed Amit.
So his core responsibility after operational risk is HR management. Maybe he didn't like it. At least his previous boss didn't like it. He one day made a formal complaint to me. Why is Amit still doing performance management? So, but there are some I think people who will always go the extra mile, and we sometimes use them, we push them, we give them more. I wish everyone takes interest in things beyond their area of work, because that is when you become a more comprehensive banker. You learn more beyond your area of responsibility. So there have been situations like that where I have dragged people and requested them for help. So yeah.
Amit, I missed you for last 2 years. Please spare us. We got stuck at the wrong floor. Now we have space, inshallah, in a month's time. Mohammed, in 1 month's time.
Yeah, Amit.
Yes, Amit.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir, for everything actually to us. And it was a very good association with you. And as everybody admitted that it was very easy, that
I still
to our
don't know how to
multi-levels
manage
actually.
HRMS, Amit. I still every time till just day before I called you.
Yeah, that is fine. Fine, sir. This is not for you only, sir. This is so many managers
I
know
know
that
how
actually.
Khalid Saab gave you a whack once while you were chasing it, but I was pushing you.
It is fine. I hope, I wish it will be end for the next level actually. I can take some other responsibility with a new management like that. Let's see. But it was actually very good assessment for everything. In respect to the performance management or in respect to our job actually to discuss any case to case actually. Take approval. Instead of, I was open to take direct to take approval without any hesitations once I get from our management approval actually. Very so kind, sir. Thank you so much for your all support, guidance, and for everything, sir. And we were very lucky, used to be lucky actually, to get like bosses all around actually, including you. Thank you, sir.
Anybody else wants to please?
Anybody?
No, we have been asking Mohammed, why is he hiding in his room?
Mohammed,
When you have to complain, Mohammed, that time you sent mail, you sent WhatsApp, you come into my room, give me grief.
With this permission and all, I had the same words, sir. Thank you so much for all the support. The biggest thing which I miss is basically when
the last version of RMF.
yes, that's what I was about to say, sir.
What
When
feedback I gave you?
RMF is in the final stage, you are going. As soon as we get an approval, I'll definitely drop you a message. So thank you so much, sir, for all the support, and I share the same thoughts what all colleagues have shared. Thanks
Thank you.
for everything.
Fix Dawn, huh? Dawn को छोड़ना नहीं.
तो मैंने पकड़े तो थे
And your open door policy, you can discuss anything. That was the thing. And definitely the people, they have already said you have experience, and as a human being you have supported us whole team. That was excellent for this time. And I would say that this is a lovely kind of leadership style. Thank you very much.
His focus these days is more on his looks than anything else in life.
We need a rock star.
Yeah, he is going on the rock star. Yeah, go ahead.
Thank you so much, sir. It's been a pleasure working here under your leadership for the last couple of years. We are sad to see you go and wish you all the best. Every good attribute you have has been highlighted by everybody else. All in all, just thank you. Thank you for everything.
Thank you very much.
Sami, aakhri.
Main thing is the speak up policy. Like whenever anything has happened, you are very much like caring to everything, and you are ready to listen to everybody. So that was the most basically valuable things that we expected, and it was really delivered. So we really enjoyed your company and your leadership. So that is the thing I wanted to share.
Big comfort zone for all of us. Thank you for all the.
थोड़ा सा रिकॉर्ड नहीं हुआ वापस प्लीज नो बेचारा सबकी ही इज टेकिंग एवरीबॉडीज वीडियो एंड जस्ट अगेन प्लीज
Everybody was about to say thank you for bringing me back.
And thank you for bringing me back. I was in a very difficult situation. So, Alhamdulillah, with Allah's grace and your support, I was able to come back. And thank you all. It always feels like a family working in this.
Yes, it is a good family here, to be honest with you. I don't think I have seen such a family atmosphere anywhere else. I have worked in 5 different banks, sorry, now I'm going to 6th. So, in different locations, but this has truly been a family atmosphere. The most important, I would say, attribute of this team is no politics. And I think that has kept people happy. Because the moment politics creeps into any small team, big division like risk management, you will see clashes, you will see people personalizing things, you will see people going behind someone's back, I think that has, I would say been the hallmark and will continue, because the leadership here is such, they're very honest people, very hardworking people, they're very transparent, straightforward people. So obviously, none of us, our boss's boss, has to second guess the mind of a person. So I think you guys need to continue, this culture of togetherness, culture of openness. Also there is a lot of, Venkat mentioned empathy, which is caring about each other. Here, sharing the joys of people. We did stop that weekly or weekly twice biryani parties. Getting a license and then also buying a car. The guy has to give a party. So those are also good, great times. But essentially, I think it is what you create around you as a team. It could be a team of just 2 or 3 people, or as a big team here across risk management and collections is almost 300 plus people. Risk management itself is 90 odd people. So it is very important to keep that atmosphere going. And I came very late. You have your founders here, Javed, Munawar, Anas, Khalid Saab, who set up risk management essentially, non-credit approval related, I would say. So that is also effectively risk, but it is the business side of it. So they have actually fostered this culture of meeting, engaging, trusting people, as Tahir said. See, if we don't trust, I will tell you honestly, if I have any doubt about anyone's intentions, I would not want him in my team. So that's why with trust, then the engagement becomes more easy. If you trust me, you can walk in, you can come in. If I trust you, I can go in. Like Suleiman said, you would be sitting, I would be standing. It doesn't bother me at the end of the day. That is not what I look at, that people should get up or people should knock at my door first, or people should first talk to Shamila, get appointment. That is not me. Maybe I made like that. But we have a very important, I would say, perspective to being a professional in a corporate entity, which is to deliver, which is to keep DIB's interest paramount. If someone were to look at me, my waterfall is DIB, team and me at the last. That is how I personally look at things. But if we do not, look at DIB as our sole reason of being here in this office, coming every day in the morning and going back, then we will miss sometimes. We will be average, we will be maybe not, our heart is not there with the bank. Also, we need to set up our own kind of benchmarks, whether Mr. Javed gives you a 3, 4, 5 or whatever, it is not relevant. Actually, what you give yourself at the end of the day. Did you slip on your timelines? Was your quality of work good? Did you engage with people with trust and respect? Did you shout at people? Did you insinuate people? Did you personalize issues? I think all that sums up how you operate in a. So I can tell you, some people outside say we want to join risk management. There are no headcounts available, but some people have expressed the desire to join. And why is that so? Because the leadership here is very good. All your, Khalid Saab, Javed Saab, Anas, everyone here, they have demonstrated a working style and a leadership style which brings people to them. Like I will give you, maybe you guys know it, maybe you don't know it. Like any problem outside the bank which has a risk management angle, I will push them to Mr. Javed. He has a phenomenal solution to it mindset. Mr. Munawar is a walking encyclopedia. Anything on the go, even while he's driving, he can send a WhatsApp message that this is what it is. So you have such great, strong leaders. But they will be successful only if you contribute. They cannot run the ship by only, if you see in a rowing competition, there are so many people trying to, push the boat. But if 2 people only do it, the rest 6 don't do it, the boat will not move, or you will be left behind in the competition when you are trying to, achieve targets, deliver on your objectives, comply with deadlines and timelines, or the quality of work should be of a good standard. It's not that we produce something and it's suboptimal, it has mistakes, the font is not correct, it is disconnected text. We can't afford that because from our end, a lot of stuff goes to Group CEO, a lot of stuff goes to the board, a lot of stuff goes to the central bank. So we need to make sure that our quality of work, our timeliness of work, and the standard we set is always of high level, not average, not below average. I think that you should all strive to do. Wherever you are, whichever position you hold today, you may hold in future. Look ahead. you know, look, be positive, be hopeful. But without pushing yourselves, you will never achieve anything, I can guarantee you. If anyone is looking at Mr. Javed, will lift his finger and give him from grade C to D, forget it. You might be lucky, it might happen sometime, but in your career of 35 years average, it will happen only once. The rest you have to always stand on your legs. You know, if anyone has this, you know, kind of feeling in the mind, just because I have a good relationship with someone, he will, no, that's not possible. Because that person is himself responsible. He has to put his kind of equity and his own, you know, reputation at stake by lifting someone who is ordinary, who has problems and all. So be strong, you know, contributors. Wear DIB on your sleeve every day. Till tomorrow, this will be on my, you know, chest, and I will be the biggest well-wisher of DIB even after I leave. I have had great 5 years, 7 months and 3 weeks here, to be precise, tomorrow. And you know, I will take great memories. Does any of the jobs come without challenges? No, it will not. Maybe the challenge at a junior level is slightly smaller, has one dimension. When you go up the chain, it becomes multiplied. You know, it becomes exponential. So if Javed Saab has 10 problems, I have 100, and maybe you know, Suleiman has only 5. But it doesn't go linear. It goes very exponential. But as you guys grow, you gain experience. You will also see. Many times put yourselves in the shoes of your manager. Why he is asking that? Why he is pushing me on that? There is a reason. No one is unreasonable, to be honest. When someone tells you that I need it by 4 o'clock, he needs it by 4 o'clock. I had to go to meet Khalid Saab's team, but I had to draft a letter for GCO. I got a bit delayed. I wanted to come back here early, but I made sure I sent it to stakeholders before I got up from my desk. And this is my second last day in the bank. So you need to have that high sense of commitment, responsibility, accountability, delivery. Without that, no one will shine. I will tell you guys, because most of you are in the middle levels, you know, you will not reach where they are or where I am today. You know, it will not come without that. So keep your focus. Be good as you have been. Be nice, you know, to people. I think then people become twice as nice to you. But first and foremost is DIB. That is what you have to do when you walk in the morning here until you are here every day. That should be your contribution. And you know, then God will take care of all of us. I think, you know, that is success comes to people who work hard, unless I am a billionaire's son, which I am not. But generally, I have seen people who work hard, who conduct themselves with a good attitude, they will somehow shine. They will. Not everyone can become CRO, not everyone can become CEO, but you will still reach a reasonably good, you know, nice position, which you will be proud of, your family will be proud of, and maybe us as managers down the line. When I retire, I see Javed Saab CRO somewhere, I'll be very proud. You know? Sure. Hopefully soon. So, you know, I think that is what I would like to say. This is again, I am repeating maybe last 5.5 years, but I can't stop myself from sending this message that nothing is easy, and you know, but if you work hard and you have the right attitude, things will fall in place, and success will slowly, gradually come. Market is tight now; it will not be like this lifelong. Maybe another 6 months, a year, 2 years, the market will come back, and you guys will have further opportunities. The bank is growing; it has become a large bank. It's almost 295 billion today in terms of balance sheet size. Must be in the top 200 now in the world. So the bank is solid. It's got a strong name in the market. You know, now when I introduce myself, people outside, when I say DIB, their eyes do light up and they do see that, you know, I'm coming from a very good, solid large bank. Thank you very much to each one of you. You know, for these 5 years, 7 months and 3 weeks. To bear with me. I have had flare up, but they were never with an intention to against the person. Please, you know, I think I would like to make it clear. Yeah, you know, sometimes something was to be kept ready by certain date, didn't happen. So you obviously you don't want, you know, to miss deadlines when it concerns the senior guys in the bank. That's about it from me. Wish you all good luck, success. Stay safe, stay healthy, maintain 2 meter distance, otherwise Mohammed is not going to go leave you guys. I hope till tomorrow he gives me some concession. God bless you all.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
जमाल, तुम लीडर हो ना सबके, आ जाओ जल्दी 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 जल्दी। चाचा को कहीं काम से गए। बाला दल, बाला भाई की तो हमने आंखें, विजय
So he can see better than anybody else actually. No?
I will ask Balabai. Okay, sir.
हाँ जमाल भाई, आखिरी में क्या आप अपनी तरफ से?
Thank you, sir. Everything for everything.
Jamal merely he gets me crisp notes. They gumao Tanveer, they tell him no, it's not available. We don't have, because for my golf weekend I need 10 dirham notes. So when Jamal goes, he comes with fresh notes. But when Tanveer goes, they tell him it's not available. So last 3 times now I asked Jamal, for weekend get me something. Thank you Jamal, thank you Om, thank you Tanveer, Vijay, thank you Balabai. आपका नाम सॉरी पता नहीं, thank you very much. चाचा किधर है?
चाचा कहीं है सर, कहीं काम से गए.
Going to business village, I lost.
And last but not the least, anything from ladies? Shamila, please lead. Say something.
Doesn't even know me.
Yeah, I know, but still.
She knows you very well.
I joined on the 1st of April, and
That's okay, right?
until today, each day I look forward to come to work because I was working for a wonderful boss. I mean, he's down to earth. He gives me time. He listens to what I say. If there's anything, he gives me. He's very respectful, and I'm surely going to miss him a lot. I really miss him a lot. But in this few months, he taught me a lot. Has really guided me, and I will treasure every moment for the rest of my life. Thank you, boss. Thank you for selecting me over here. And you have blessed me with a lovely family.
It is a lovely family.
Yes, thank you so much.
What you want to say something?
Which I am proud of is this family. Trust me, very proud of this.
Thank you.
Anything, Muna? You want to say?
Thank you.
Thank you.
And yeah.
Hello.
Amit.
Now I can.
नहीं अमित के साथ सत्यानाश करता हूँ.
We want to do something.
Want me to open the gift?
I put it inside.
Christine pushed us. She said, "Very fast."
No, झूठ नहीं बोल, तूने बोला था. This is what you done. Christine pushed us.
Do you know, Shamila, they are all Amit, Mohsin and this Mustafa are born on the same day. So they have similar traits.
No, in fact, I reminded her how in 7 o'clock in the morning on 2nd November we get the message. Without fail. So this. We know how much you
I know what it is.
enjoy the sport.
And the best part is, the best hope is that you don't have this one.
Help कर दो. So.
That's good.
सर ऊपर इधर हाँ दिस
नहीं इसका मतलब.
Oh, this is a rangefinder.
Yes.
Oh, very nice. Now my game should improve. I have a rangefinder, but now my game should improve.
You need to see your handicap improvement from here.
I wish, because this year my handicap has gone for a toss. My game this year is not good.
Now the stress level will go down. The game will improve.
Hopefully. I think it's enough.
We all wanted you to have something golf based because you're going to utilize.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. This is also very nice. Thanks a lot. I think it's good.
Thank you.
You need me to now carry my stuff in this bag.
Yes.
Like so,
Huh?
seems like you are saying goodbye.
It's a goodbye bag.
Take all the stuff.
Thank you.
No golf logo.
They put
The
my
one
initials.
rounds we can say.
They put my initials. Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks, Shamila.